In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an opt-in workflow to a ClickFunnels 2.0 funnel hub. By the end, you'll have a smooth, automated follow-up running the moment someone submits their details on your funnel hub. We'll start by making sure you have an opt-in page ready, then build the workflow that powers your follow-up, set the trigger that starts it, add the actions you want it to perform, and finally attach that workflow to your specific funnel step so it all runs automatically. First, make sure you have an opt-in page in your funnel hub. In your ClickFunnels dashboard, head to Funnels and open your funnel hub. Click Add New Step to create a new funnel step. Choose Opt-in as the page type and select a template that fits your brand. Open the editor and confirm the form includes at least an email field so visitors can subscribe. Keep the layout simple, the headline clear, and the button copy action-oriented. If you collect additional fields, only ask for what you truly need to keep conversions high. Next, create the automation workflow that will run after someone opts in. From your dashboard, open Automations, sometimes labeled Workflows. Click Add Workflow. Give it a descriptive name like Opt-in Follow-up so it's easy to find later, and then click Create Workflow to open the drag-and-drop builder. Clear names and consistent labeling will save you time as your automation library grows. Now set the trigger that tells the workflow when to start. In the builder, click where it says No Trigger Set, then choose Opt-in as the trigger event. This ensures the workflow fires as soon as a contact subscribes. You can optionally target a specific funnel or page, so only opt-ins from your funnel hub page activate this workflow. Scoping the trigger keeps your automation precise and prevents unintended enrollments. With the trigger in place, add the actions you want the workflow to perform. Drag actions from the sidebar and configure each one. A welcome or confirmation email is a great starting point. Set a clear subject, confirm what subscribers can expect, and include a simple next step. Add a tag to segment new contacts for future campaigns. If you use external tools, send a webhook to sync data. Consider adding delays to space out messages and conditional logic to tailor follow-ups based on engagement. Keep your message sequence concise and focused on value. Finally, connect the workflow to your Funnel Hub opt-in page. Go back to Funnels, open the funnel that contains your opt-in step, find that step, and click the automation icon. Choose the workflow you just built. This links the opt-in action on that page to your workflow trigger so it runs automatically. That's it. You're set up and ready to capture leads and follow up instantly.